Oh, what's up? What's up? What's up? This your boy Zeke Dog, and I'm back with another video. Man, when I tell y'all, Prime get you loads day and night. Day and night. Y'all see me even in the nighttime. I met a driver a second ago, and he was like, "Oh, you on YouTube?" He saw my sign on the side. I was like, "Yeah, that's me." And this what we got, man. One piece of Caterpillar. Man, this thing weigh 5,000 pounds. £5,000? Boy, this is about to be a breeze. Man, I shouldn't be burning no gas. I'm talking about straight highway and rolling. Yeah. So, let me throw a couple chains on this thing. Literally, we're gonna do this one by the weight, not by the length. So it's less than 10,000 pounds. I'm gonna show y'all what I put on it. All right, a few moments later, got my tarps locked down here. DOT at 5,000 pounds only require one chain. Prime requires one more. Plus you need this little protector in the middle here. And I got all that. We locked down. Chain secure. Time to go deliver this tomorrow so I can get on my, this will be on the pay cycle for my first week out. Now if you guys ask how has the pay been for the first week, I don't know yet, I ain't got it. The loads have not been the best. But I'm okay with it this week because I'm still just kind of taking a little slow with the new company. But I'm ready to run, man. Ready to go make some money. So that's it, man. We about to roll out of here tonight. Got about I think it's like a 5-hour drive or something. So we're gonna see what we end up doing. All right. I don't know how my camera gonna look at nighttime, but I did wanna test the water to see what it was gonna do. Okay. All right.
Take the ramp on the right to I-74 toward Illinois 40 South.
Okay, ramp on the right. I can do that. Kirby. Man, hope y'all can see this pretty good. I'll know in the future and be like, man, they couldn't see crap, or vice versa, and be like, yeah, man, they saw everything at nighttime. And then too, being that it's nighttime, it's so hard to pick up on other lights. So I saw this bridge over here that I wanted to show y'all, but
keep left to I-74 west, then keep right.
Keep left. Let's see, I-74, right, one lane over. All right, hold up,
keep right to I-74.
There we go. I can do that. This will put me on the right track. So I got roughly 3 hours left on my clock, but doing the math, it'll be midnight, and it's so hard to find parks at midnight. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and shut down at this pilot about 25 miles away, and it'll be roughly 9:30. Well, I say 25, 32 miles away.
Continue
So
on I-74.
it'll be roughly 9:30. Hopefully I can find some kind of crevice or hole to get this truck up into and sit there for the night. So, man, let's make this happen. Hey, dog team. Your boy Zeke Dog has made it. We up in here. We are in this thing. So, let's see why my camera's so freaking loose. Here we go in the daytime. One track. Man, this is so cool. I ain't never carried nothing like this with that other company. I'm gonna stop saying their name. But I hear they like to keep Zeke Dog name in their mouth, but that's a whole nother thing. Alright, so we're gonna get these chains unbuckled and get ready to get unloaded. Alright, this was I mean, it was a pretty simple freaking load. I got I got 2 chains on here. I mean, they were exchange strapped across. I had the proper protectors on it because this paint that's on this equipment, what we call it the cat paint, they love their paint. They don't want it scratched. They don't want it damaged. They want their paint on there so that they can basically see they buying something brand new. So you want to try to keep that as protected as possible. And those little rubber edge protectors that we have, that pretty much does the job. Like I said, this was a light load. It was a simple load. It really was the easiest load I'd have ever had. I ain't gonna even lie. Nothing too difficult about it. You didn't have to tarp it. You only had to throw 2 chains. It was light and it was going a short distance. So the hardest part was finding the trailer when I had got into the yard. But when I pulled into this consignee, the time that they were going to be stopped taking delivering was like 5 minutes away. But he got me on in through the security gate and basically told me, oh, they're just doing a shift change. The guy's going to be out here to unload me in a few minutes. I'm like, for real? He was like, yeah, for real. So once I got these chains off, man, the rest is history. You're about to see what's going to happen now. Did paperwork? Yeah, hold on. All right, your boy Zeke Dog, you got everything locked down. That was a quick load. Paid decent, it was light, didn't burn much fuel. But I need some more money. Zeke Dog need that money. I'm gonna let y'all know whether it's coming. I ain't gonna just tell y'all about all the good and be like, oh yeah, man, I made $20,000 this week. And then the next week I come and make $3,000. I'm gonna tell it to you how it is. And so far, I'm close to hitting that 5K for the week. Which is lower than what I would like, but at the same time, I went home. It's still money. Ain't the money that I want, but it's money. So we're gonna see what this first check look like. And I'm gonna let y'all know. Run down on my first check, second check, third check, and fourth check. I'm gonna give y'all my first 4 checks. So, and let y'all know when I was running, when I was off, the reason one is gonna be higher than the other one compared to where I was going. So, man, that's pretty much it, man. Appreciate y'all checking out the video. Like, share, subscribe. Hit that notification bell and join the dog team, man. So until the next time, baby, keep it trucking. You know what? Let me add one more thing in there. Y'all thought it was over. Y'all thought it was over. Y'all gonna see this green truck out here. There's a lot of green trucks, but this lime green with the Zeke Dog on it, y'all gonna see me. When y'all see me, find the video of that day. Get in the comments and say, Zeke Dog, I just saw me. Tell me what interstate I was on. Tell me what I was passing. I'm going to hit you back and let you know. Yeah, that was me, or, because some folks been saying they seen me and that ain't me. But I'm going to let you know if that's me. I'm going to hit you back and say, hey, yeah, Zeke Dog was on I-80. Zeke Dog was on 55. Zeke Dog was on 65. Zeke Dog was on 2 this, 2 that. You know, 690 this. Wherever I was at, I'm going to let you know. Yeah, that was me. You saw Zeke, dog. So, like I said, let me end it now. Until the next time, baby, keep it trucking.